Oh, there's a cop. Let's go do a flyby. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Travis, every single Sunday. My man.
How are we doing today?
We've been riding a lot of dirt together, and that's been a blast. I think you like torturing me, though, so...
A little bit.
But I enjoy learning. I enjoy the process. You know, I'm okay with the struggle. So today's your day. We're going to a place in Carlsbad called what?
Cold beer and cheeseburgers.
Sounds good to me.
It's amazing. I tried it out in Phoenix one time with
Yeah.
Joe from Ready to Ride Rentals, and the place was so good I had to take you there.
I did do a little research, and I'll tell you about it on the way. All right, Carlsbad, we got about an hour ride. It's going to be freeway stuff, so...
Hopefully we see something happen.
SV650, man. A lot of people ask me what bike they should get for their first bike. That's the bike right there, SV650. My music stopped playing, GPS is all screwy. Hey, all right, man. This is really the first time we've ridden together on the street. We'll probably be on the side of the road a couple more times. A lot of shit happens with me. It just means a longer video, better value. I need a time of shoe. Oh, I'm wearing my white shoes? That's not good. Can't find my gloves, shit's breaking.
I don't have a rear brake.
I know, that's concerning. It still doesn't work?
Oh, nothing.
We'll get that in the Chaparral. They'll fix her up. That's what they do, you know. We get on the freeway here, and I'll tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to. Cold beers and cheeseburgers. How you guys doing in there? I'd like to have one of these. It's good to have the Triumph out every now and then. I don't mind loaning it out to my friends, at least when I know they're responsible enough not to wreck it. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Cold Beers and Burgers. This is a chain of restaurants established back in 2011 in Arizona. I think the first one was Scottsdale, Arizona. Since then, they've opened 13 more locations. All but 2 are located in Arizona. What makes this place popular? They sell over 150 beers and have a fun menu. Some of the things that we're gonna get, I'm gonna go down the list, right? Bacon, peanut butter, and jelly sliders. They have a jumbo pretzel I'm looking forward to with roasted pepper cheese sauce. And they have a buffalo chicken egg roll, which I'm excited about. And the last thing that I think I'm gonna get is a prime rib dip. Can't go wrong with that, right? It's always good. Now, the hospitality chain that opened these things up, it's called Square One Concepts, also based out of Arizona. They have a bunch of other chains, all of which are pretty successful, so I got high hopes here. All right, well, that's the info part of today's video, so enjoy the ride. Let's talk about ASV levers. I've had these levers pretty much from the beginning of this bike. This bike's fallen over so many times, they survive every time. I'll put a link to ASV in the description of this video. You see what it looks like down here? Dirty wheels. All right, man. That dump truck has a wheelie bar. I was watching the news the other day up in Big Bear or Arrowhead, one of the two. At one of the gas stations, they were refueling the pumps. I believe the tanker put diesel in some of the regular tanks. Apparently cars are all screwed up. What a costly mistake, man. That's no good. I put diesel in this before. I mean, just a little bit. It ran okay, but I couldn't imagine putting a ton of it in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. America. That was a dumb greeting. I don't even know what that was. Why did I do that? I'm stupid sometimes. You think it's gonna rain? I think it's gonna rain. Out of my way, Prius. Yeah, you. It's in here somewhere. Bacon, peanut butter, and jelly burger. Huh. There it is. Cold beer and cheeseburgers. This is us. Oh, to go? Not us. I've got high hope for this place.
You should. I mean, like, normally you don't want to overtalk something because it's not going to live up to the hype.
I do it all the time.
But I'm going to talk it up. This is going to be amazing because they have cold beer and they got cheeseburgers with peanut butter and jelly on them.
Jag är Peter och kommer runt personer som tar över. Jag är med sig på de här inbörden. Men jag kan inte vara till och med 4. Den är tid. Jag kan hålla sig på. Hemmen. Hit kom det. Ja, jag är Peter och kommer runt personer som tar över. Jag är med sig på de här inbörden.
Cold beers and cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
I loved it.
It was amazing. I wish we had some beers, but with the bikes,
Yeah. We kind of just ate a bunch of shit off their appetizer menu.
that was fine.
We got the bacon, peanut butter, and jelly.
So
Oh,
good,
dude.
right? How good was that?
I wasn't expecting it to be good.
It's totally different than you think it would be.
I didn't think it would have cheese on it, and it had cheese, and it was jelly-infused cheese. Is that what that
It
was?
was grape cheese.
Grape cheese. We got the buffalo chicken egg rolls, which I was a big fan of. But I think the real winner here, for me,
Don't say it.
those tater tot things.
Oh, yeah, they were really, really
They were
good.
so good.
But that burger is just so juicy and good. And
My thing is, I'm not a big sweets guy, and that was pretty sweet for me.
it was actually.
If I came back, I probably wouldn't get it again, but I would recommend it to whoever I was with.
It's worth trying for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
It's so good.
There's some other things on the menu that I really, really wanted to try, but I just couldn't, man. I was full. I'm just a little guy.
So much good stuff on there.
For sure. I do want to come back. I will be back at some point.
I'll be here with you.
I want to do the prime dip and the pretzel. I did like this place. Thanks for bringing me here.
I'm happy you came, man. It was worth the trip. And thank you for letting me borrow your bike.
How do you feel about this thing?
I'm having a blast on it.
You like
It's a
it?
little different. I do actually.
It's heavy, slow.
It's like my bike.
Sounds cool.
It sounds fantastic. On D-cell, that burbling and popping.
Oh, you got me. That's pretty
I
good.
never got to do that. I never had street bikes.
Sure is a good looking car, isn't it? I mean, I understand why people buy that car. I mean, it's gas miles. It costs $10 to fill up. You'll go 500 miles. But do you think that there's anybody out there that'll buy that car just because they like the way it looks? Seriously, do you think people buy these cars because they like the way they look, or do you think they're all just look at how close she is? Ha! Do you think she bought that car because it's good for the environment or easy on the wallet, or because she likes the way it looks? Speaking of the Prius, if you would like to express your feelings towards the Prius as much as I do, check out my website, suburbandelinquent.com. I got a couple shirts especially for you. We have cool shit, that's for sure. Oh, there's a cop. There's a cop. Let's go do a flyby. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Otherwise, YouTube won't tell you. Lots of love to the patrons of the channel. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Get your I Hate Prius shirts. If you guys are into dirt bikes, check out my other channel. Make sure you support the channel partners. Links to all of them in the description of this video, as well as on the website. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, look to them first.
Bacon PB&J burger.
You're gonna do the big dude?
We might. We're starting with the sliders, so let's start with the sliders right here. Bacon, PB&J, cheeseburger sliders, $14.50. These are what baited me in. So Boat Ready to Ride Rentals took me here, and he said, you're gonna get this thing with bacon and chipotle jelly and grape cheese. And I was like, that sounds like the worst thing in the absolute world. So I started looking over the menu. I was gonna find something else to eat.
Yeah.
And he's like, stop. And he takes my menu away like this. He goes, mine. And then he like does this whip of his ponytail because he's got these long flowing
He's
locks.
a Johnny?
He's got some hair. He's a big boy. He's a good guy. Awesome guy. You got to come ride with us sometime. So anyway, we order these up. Let me read this to you. Sugar cured bacon. Sounds decent. Not for a burger though. Peanut butter. Sounds awesome, but not for a burger. This is where it gets weird. Grape jelly cheddar. Sounds terrible. Like it sounds moldy looking to me.
Yeah. I bet it looks moldy.
And then chipotle honey sauce. Chipotle honey sauce? What the hell is that? All right, so anyway, I get this thing. And I get my little tiny slider burger because I'm gonna eat this before I order my big burger. And oh my God, it's amazing. I'm like, I gotta bring Sub D here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna have to ride all the way to Phoenix. And I start planning it out, like finding gas tanks to strap on our back so we can go straight shot. I got us catheters so we didn't have to stop for a bathroom break. We got so much good stuff for this trip to Phoenix. And then we find one here in Carlsbad. It's like not even an hour away. So I sold that stuff on eBay. I got money to buy us lunch, and we're gonna have a good time.